What's up, YouTube gang? I'm in the house right now. We finna go outside. I got some shit I'm finna install on the car. So what we finna do is, y'all finna make some runs with me. I'm finna go to the Ace Hardware. I gotta get some shit for my car. I'm finna install a boost gauge to see how much boost this car is making. So I got the gauge. I'm gonna show you what that look like. Then we're gonna go to Ace Hardware. Then we gotta get some wire and shit. We gotta do some wiring. And hopefully this shit come out good, man. Hopefully. So y'all bear with me. And I'm gonna bear with y'all. And we finna get this shit working. All right, so now we outside. I can show you what I got. Pro Sport boost gauge. Gotta wire all this in. This is for the light. I don't know what the white is for. I know that's power and ground. You got this hose, which I'm about to make sure it fits. Okay, so what we got to do is, it's a Allen head screw right there. I took it out already. So we're gonna run the line from there. I'm about to go to the Ace Hardware to get that now. And then this gonna run inside, which I'm probably gonna run through here since I don't have the fittings for it anyway. Or I'm gonna run it through there. That way it'll be out the way. Then I just got to figure out the wiring for it. All right, so we in the Ace Hardware. And this the wrong shit, bro. The only thing they sell is fucking flowers. Like, who the fuck is only sell flowers? Like, I got what I need though. Got the wire. Got this fitting, some electrical tape. Hopefully this wire works. I don't know. I might not even get that shit. But now I'm just gonna go check out. Gotta find some wire cutters, and they wire cutters are 20 bucks. All right, so we back. Got that ran. I'm gonna fix that up a little better later on. It come through here, but I'm gonna zip tie it right here. And I'll probably take that down and black tape it so you can't see it. It won't be noticed. Then it's gonna go through there. And they got some gauge pillars I'm gonna try to put like right here. So I ran the line through there. Then I can take that out for now. We're gonna have it sitting like right here. I'm gonna try to run the wires across here and maybe drop them down so they can come to here. Come wire them to the cigarette lighter. Or I can take this out and wire it to this cigarette lighter. But I know I gotta pop that out also for the light. So this shit will light up. So what I'm gonna do, when I moved, I didn't bring all my recording equipment. So what I'm about to do is set the camera down and wire everything up. Then I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay, so we got it wired in. We got it ran to the cigarette lighter. Under there, through there, up through there. As you can see, it's working. Right now, I don't even know how to read this damn thing, man. But I'm about to order the gauge mount off Amazon. All the parts stores said they had them in stock, but they didn't. I got it grounded over there. I just got the wire in to my headlight so when I turn the car on, it turn blue or some shit. So right now I'm heading back to the house. I'm gonna finish up the wiring and order the mount, get that in, and that'll be the end of this video, man. I guess we just gonna have to wait a couple days to get it finished, get it installed and everything. But for the most part, it's making like 9 pounds. But then when I go, I don't know. All right, so it's been a couple days. As you can see, I got a whole nother half fucking style. But we got the gauge in. We finna run to the store real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how that operate. It's making boost. I think it's making like 8-9 pounds. Sometimes I think it's either 11. I don't know. But it should be like 600 horsepower. I'm finna get a 69 millimeter throttle body put on and JLT coat air intake and pull it down. Then we're gonna get this thing painted and looking good so we can start on a new edge. But we got some problems going on. Like I think I need an ECU and a harness. So we're gonna get that taken care of. And there's a whole lot of stuff on the back end. Like Got to put a carbon fiber decklet on. I sold the RTR one. So I'm finna do a quick video to show y'all how this thing actually works and how it looks. I couldn't get wired up right for the lights. It's supposed to turn on white then go blue, but it didn't work out, so it just stays blue the whole time, which looked good to me. So I'm about to get that done, and I'm gonna ride with y'all to the gate, and that's gonna be the end of this video, man. I'm gonna be done. So as you can see, it functions. I got everything ran up under the hood. I probably need to show you that, but I think I showed that in the video. So it's just running through there and running to something on the side. I may actually show y'all. I mean, I had to stop by a store or something. Pop the hood. See, like, it's spike up to like 5, 6 just off my idle. So once I get to the store, I'm gonna pop the hood, show y'all how it's ran. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, cause it kind of just thrown in there. Okay, as you can see, it's running from there on through the inside. Then we got the wire coming from there back to a fuse, and I'm gonna clean all that up, make that look good. But this is the port you tap into right there. All right, so I'm back in the house, and that's it. That video is done. I'm finna cook. I'm finna go to bed. I'm through for the day. So y'all check in to the next video. Subscribe, like, comment, share this video to your friend and your friend and your friend. We got content on the way, you know what I'm saying? More content coming in. So I'm out.